Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So as you saw in my last video, I tried to dye my hair with L'Oreal 10.21 hair dye, and that turned my hair orange, which my hair is still orange. And I just came back from the supermarket, and I was going to try to get the exact same one, but they didn't have a 10.1 because I need like an ash blonde tone to it, so I need a 0.1. Because I did my research and everything, and so to get like the orange pigments out of it, I need to have an ash tone. So I tried to get a 10.1, but there wasn't any. So I got a 9.1, and this time I changed it from the... it's a bit different. It's a preference, but this is what I got. This one's meant to last up to 8 weeks, the other one was just 4 to 6, and this one's meant to be like a bit better, lasting longer. Colours on the back. It doesn't really suit my hair colour, but hopefully because it's orange, so it's lighter, it will go like light browny and not orange, to take the orange out of it. If not, then I'm gonna have to deal with it and then dye it darker, because it looks so bad. Anyway, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair soon, so you can see what it looks like and if it's changed. Fingers crossed. This is the hair dye I'm going to be using. The 9.1 Viking Light Ash Blonde. So I'm going to be using that. And so it's a bit different than the other one. Still the L'Oreal Paris one. I'm going to have a look what's inside it. So we have our instructions, and we have our gloves. We have our colorant gel, we have our shine oil, our developer cream, and our shine protector conditioner.